Hello everyone, I am Lance Gerald Pilim from CPA 12, and I have your representation with an introduction in TK Inter Basics. So, what is TK Inter? TK Inter is a Python tool for building GUIs quickly. It comes with easy to use features for creating windows, buttons, and labels. And since it's included with Python, we can start using it right away. It's very simple and perfect for us students who are beginners in Python. So first I have here an example, or rather, the start for TK Inter, which is importing the actual TK Inter, and a simple window with text. So we can see here, the window, this line of code here, um, this creates the main window of the GUI application. And you can see here this variable, this line, this is where the window is made, and the text, which we can see here, greetings, and the label grid is it's basically a label widget in the main window using the grid layout manager. And the window main loop is a loop that keeps the application running until the user chooses to close the window. The next one, if we wish to add more text, we can just label the first one earlier and add 1 and 2 so it's more readable. And we also need to add another grid for the new text that we just added. So we can see if we run this code, we get this result. For positioning the text, we have two options. First is including a row and column counter inside the grid variables, which we can see here. Or we can either put the row and column counter inside or in the end of the label 1 and 2 variable, which results in the same thing, as we can see here. For creating the buttons first, we have this code. So a button, which we can name anything we want, and then we have their button, window text, and the text we want to view inside or in the button. So if we run this code, we get this. And for resizing the buttons, we just add a index X or index Y, which is horizontal and vertical, also inside the my button variable, which you can see here. It's pad X50 and pad Y50, and you can see here it's large and more wider. For creating a function for the button, well, first we go back here. We can see in this image I actually click the button and nothing happened. So in order for that to do anything, we have to make a function. So here's that. I made a function for the button that we just made, and if we run this, well, actually I pressed this button also and nothing happened, and that's because we didn't actually call the function. We have the function here, but it's not called in the my button variable. So instead we call the command or we call the function that we just made, put it inside the my button variable, and then we can see here the text that we made shows when we click the button. And for customization of the button itself, we can either change the font color and the background color. It's very simple. We just add FG and BG. So FG for font color and BG for background color. So we have here in the button we have FG, set it to blue, and the BG, which is light blue. And we run the code. We can see here it's blue. The text is blue and the background color is light